Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Tammy, professor of mathematics from Nightingale College, and I'm here to go over some tips and tricks on how to study to learn. So let me go ahead and move this, and let's get started. So one of the things that you want to do is have a calendar. On that calendar, you want to keep track of what you need to do each day, including your lunch and family time. Your work schedule, any special events. That way you can tell your professor ahead of time, if possible, when something you know will happen will get in your way. And also you can try to make sure you can be scheduled to have your work done before it's due. Next thing I recommend you have is an inexpensive address book. It already has letters on there, so you can keep formulas and definitions all organized and easy to find. Index cards, lined, unlined, color-coded, any of those are helpful. Put one side the definition, the other side an example, or put a worked example that you have a hard time with in details on it so that you can review it throughout the term whenever you have a free moment, maybe waiting in line. Not while you're driving. When somebody else is driving, it's fine. And I like the color-coded idea because then you can maybe sort it by types of things, maybe one color for definitions, another color for a particular type of problem. And again, stay organized. You, of course, need lots of pencils. Colored pencils are helpful because then when you're working, you can use different colors for different steps so you can help find what you need in each problem. Scrap paper, you're going to go through a lot of it because sorry to say, about the only way to learn math is to practice it, and doing it by paper and pencil is the best way to practice. So scrap paper, save any one-sided pieces of paper that you may have, use it. An inexpensive two-line calculator, there's lots of great ones out there. Your instructor may recommend a particular type of calculator, so make sure you check with your instructor. Study tips. Classmates often have good insights into topics, so if you're stuck, you can check with them. They might have an idea. Of course, your instructor. Don't panic. Okay, we've all been there. Something doesn't go right. You're not sure what's going on. Don't panic. Check for help. Keep an open and positive outlook on the topic. You might not see how you're going to use it, but guess what? You probably will. Don't go into it thinking you can't do it or you don't need it. Open and positive outlook. Take assignments apart. Look at them as little steps, one thing at a time, one little bit every day. So now, really into the meat of it. Studying to learn. What are you going to do? First thing, read or watch materials provided, textbook, videos, the instructor's lecture. Just watch it. Pay attention. Absorb it. Don't take notes. Just focus on what's going on, especially if it's recorded, because then watch it or read it a second time. Go through the problems with the work, whether it's the textbook or the video. Go through it step by step with the video, each of the problems that are done in there. Take notes. What is giving you problems? Make notes of those. And then you can practice other on-topic problems, especially ones that are giving you trouble. Practice, practice, practice is really the best thing to do. Apply the topic to you. Your personal life, your career, your hobbies, any of those. Find a way you can apply it to you. Practice more problems. I know, I keep saying it. It takes a lot of practice. Anything that you're learning Takes a lot of practice, so make sure you're practicing it lots and lots. Check anything extra supplied by your instructor, extra videos, extra readings, extra problems to try. Check all of them, review them. Do your homework regularly and review. When you're doing this, don't spend more than 30 to 45 minutes at a time. Get up, take a break. Make sure that's in your schedule. If you try and do 4 hours at a time, you're going to get burned out. Do a little bit at a time, take a break. I've had so many students, I stuck on this for 3 or 4 hours, finally gave up, went and did something else, and it came to me. It happens. Finally, when you're stuck, ask for help. Ask your instructor, a friend, a classmate. Ask for help as soon as possible. I hope this helps you with learning as you're studying. Bye.